Don't know what happened up here, but it looks like there was an accident. You can see we got a little rain on the freeway. Looks like a car spun out. How you guys doing? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy, the Grandmaster Troll, here to give you some of the most... I messed up already. I'm out here with my girl, Caroyln Grady. Subscribe to her channel, brand new YouTuber. But she owns the 2020 Camaro. Tell us about the Camaro.
So it is 2020, like you said. It is the Super Sport 1LE. Packed months ago. It's been my newest addiction. It goes pretty fast. I haven't really done anything to it yet, but
what do you plan to do to it?
Hopefully some Borla exhaust. I really like to change the spoiler. I do like the little wing that it has, but I do like the bigger wings on cars.
Yeah, I got the big wing on my Corvette. You want something like that?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So 8-cylinder?
It is.
Super. How much horsepower has it got?
I think right now, just stock, it has 455 horsepower.
Okay.
How about yours?
It's stock.
Okay.
Mine's a stock, so about 330 on a good day, 300 since it's a little old right now.
Yeah, well, we gotta be careful. It's raining out here.
Yeah, there was a couple of accidents up here. I saw up here on the way.
That won't be us.
That won't be us. So are you a fast driver or are you a slow driver?
I'm a fast driver, but I'll definitely slow it down for the rain. And I only have the summer tires on right now.
Okay. So I'm a real slow driver. Whenever I do these rallies, I'm the car in the back.
Alright.
And I always get left, so I gotta drive home by myself because that's how slow I am.
You get all the footage of the other cars.
Yes, I do. I do. So who has the fastest Camaro?
I'm just gonna have to edit.
Only one way to find out.
Probably her. She got the 1LE. That manual ride makes a difference in the handling, I'm sure. Yeah, no question.
So you got the fastest car here, huh?
Well, mine is manual, and you know what they say. So you know what they say.
What do they say? What do they say?
Automatics are faster, hands down. I guess it depends on the way you drive, though. Pretty good.
Yeah, you could give me a Lamborghini, you'd still beat me.
It's alright. Cruising around's fun.
So of all the cars here, I think my favorite, other than my Corvette, it has to be the white Camaro, only because it's white and all my cars are white, and I love white on the car. So it looks like we're at the highest part of the lake looking down. We was just down over there, I guess, or somewhere, I don't know. But I'm gonna get some drone footage. 3, 2, 1. just already need gas?
Hungry, man. Hungry.
You already need gas?
Shit, I only fill up half tank, man.
What does that mean? Do you know where we're coming from?
I did start with a 2/3 full tank this morning, though.
Okay.
See, look, 5 gallons.
Yeah, 8 gallons.
That's all I need.
Yeah, over here in California,
That's all I
we pay
need.
8 gallons?
$4 a gallon in California.
Yeah, I want to go to Texas, bro. It was $1.89 for premium out there.
About the engine. Yeah, it's loud, it's loud, it's loud. It's real loud. So what should I get? Should I get one of these Camaros right here? Should I get one of these Camaros right here? They tell me it's a 2016 SS Camaro. Should I get one? We're somewhere, I don't know, I think they call it Goat Rock. I don't know what it's called, but we're right here on this beautiful beach right here. Looking real good, just out here enjoying life right now with the crew. Look at the cars lined up. Look at the cars lined up. Looking real good. But fly the drone, but there's no internet connection out here, so I couldn't put the drone up in the air. So I'm gonna miss getting the real nice area footage of all of this right here. I could have flown the drone over there. I could put it over there and put it in that little hole with those rocks over there, but I can't fly the drone here. No internet. All the places not to have internet. Why wouldn't they have the internet here? I mean, just look at it. So beautiful, so gorgeous, and I'm missing out because I can't fly the drone. I'm gonna try it one more time because I can't miss this once in a lifetime opportunity. Drone to work. I got the drone to work. I would have flew it over in that little hole over there, but if something goes wrong, there's no way I'll be able to get my drone back. So I just flew it over the land. No, just playing it safe because you know I gotta get everything home in one piece. I gotta get the Corvette home in one piece. It's out here, it's raining, it's storming. We're just trying to get home in one piece. So let's bring the Corvette home. Let's bring all the fancy equipment home in one piece. I don't need any bad luck. I don't need any bad luck to go wrong. We're having a great day. Let's continue with the vlog.
In the middle, and then we're gonna go to the Civics, and then the two Camaros, and then the two Mustangs.
I love that idea. I love that idea because everything will be nice and symmetrical. I like her. I like her. Subscribe to her channel.
Two Mustangs on the very outside.
So they had to reposition the cars. We're doing that right now. As you can see, they try to get them lined up perfectly for this epic photo shoot we're about to have. I can't wait till we actually take the pictures. Let's get to it. So we're gonna go get some pizza, get something to eat.
Daddy's home.
Then we may be on our way home. Pittsburgh is a ghost town. Nobody's out due to COVID.
I'll let you know. You know what I mean? When I go to
Alright, thanks, hell yeah.
And they got the ones with the pineapple.
Do you want some ranch?
No.
So we just got done eating some pizza, and officially at this moment everybody's splitting up. I still gotta drive all the way back home, and you can see, yes, it's raining pretty hard, so I still gotta get home in one piece. But other than that, the vlog is over. I can't wait until I do more of these vlogs, so stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. It's your boy, the Grandmaster Troll, the most dangerous troll on YouTube. Peace.